Hey team, how's it going? I know you'd love the Autofiber barrel blade. Well, we have a new product. It's called the Wheel Paw, and it's made from the same material. Come check this out. The new Wheel Paw is super absorbent and allows you to get even more behind the spokes of wheels. And you can see, I have pretty big hands and I can still get through, but you can even easily reach the back of the spokes of this wheels. You can get in behind the crevices. Now the barrel blade does that well also, but this is even quicker. So if you have both, you can just kind of switch between, and we can see how I'm able to get behind these spokes super easy, and even into the barrel in some cases. Now, if you have big hands like me, you might not be able to get behind all of the brake calipers that are out there, especially on sports cars, but I can get through a lot of these spokes.